What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Sonata Smart Key Remote Fob. This Hyundai Sonata key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we take our screwdriver and we grab our key fob, and we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and then we take a look off to the side, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that notch like this. Make sure it's as far as in as it will go, and then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it pops this back cover up. Pull that back cover off the rest of the way, and then we see our battery right here. And this battery will slide out of this holder. And you may need to use your screwdriver just to help push out of this holder a little bit. Once we get our old battery out, we can grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And that battery will just slide into that holder like that. And then we can snap this back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.